Hi, I'm Roseanne, Creative Director and owner at the Social Rose Designer Events. The Social Rose is an award-winning floral decor and design firm. I've been working with flowers now for the better part of 2 decades, and I've had the pleasure of working with some of the industry's best floral designers and creating some of the most beautiful weddings. The Social Rose is a team of talented professional floral designers that have a combined experience of over 30 years working with flowers in the wedding and event industry. One of our great strengths is the floral family that we've grown over the years. We work very closely together and we help build each other's strengths and work really well to designing, producing, and executing beautiful weddings for our clients. To receive the love and support of my family and friends has been one of the biggest things that is attributed to our success and my own personal success. My husband and I have raised 3 beautiful children, and without their love and support over the years, none of this would have been possible. One of the things that I'm most proud of is that no 2 weddings we design are alike. They're a true reflection of our client's personality and personal style. We're able to create large-scale designs, installations, and create very unique pieces that really reflect our attention to detail. I feel honored that I get to work with one of nature's most beautiful elements. We get to play and design with flowers every day. One of the most rewarding things about my job is after all the hard work and inspiration and emails and phone calls and notes and all the paperwork, once we execute the event, stepping back and appreciating all the hard work. When the client walks into the room and sees their vision come to life, it's a beautiful thing to see the expression, the happiness, and the love and appreciation on their face. One of the things that I've been honored and excited about over the last 2 decades is being featured in some of the most highly renowned wedding magazines in our industry. Magazines like Wedlux, Today's Bride, Wedding Bells. It's been so exciting time and time again. People ask me all the time where my inspiration comes from, and I pull inspiration from so many different places: fashion design, architecture, nature. So if you're planning your wedding and designing your florals and decor, we'd love to hear from you. Give us a call or email us and see how you can come into the Social Rose studio. We're located in Vaughan and service Toronto and the GTA, and we'd love to sit with you, hear your inspirations, and develop beautiful designs for your wedding flowers and decor. Follow along with us as we share all of our new inspirations, trending ideas on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay tuned for the next episode.